this is what a 4-person cabin is going to look like. It's 2 beds. The sofa, he says that they'll make that one out. And then there's going to be a drop down. And so this one has a balcony. So pretty good amount of space out here. Enough for just 2. The divider. And ours actually overlooks some folks that are down here. But as long as we have the view here, that'll be fine. Refrigerator, which can't stop for us because of our status. And then we have the couch, the beds. We already put our stuff in the closet area, but this is how closet space looks like. This is down here, shoes, hanging area. This room here, there's a safe, and then drawers there. This is the bathroom. The shower. So that's that. And there you have it. There's one other door. That's where all of the life vests are.